Hey guys, this is Dinesh. I'm going to show the basics of Photoshop cs6. The first thing you have to do is you have to open the file, new. You have to give the file name, that is I'm giving HJS or something whatever. And here's the dimensions you're going to give. It's usually in maybe in pixels or inches. Actually, it's on the basis of what kind of purpose you are going to use the Photoshop for now. When you use it in terms of pixels, it's basically for the Photoshop like. You are editing some kind of photos or kind of digital stuffs like making a wallpaper. It's basically it should be in pixels. If you're making some printed materials like a poster, it's better be in inches. I'm giving some around 5 cross 5 for a better understanding. It's not need to be very perfect. Resolution for a beginner, you need not to be considered these things. Simply press OK. It will open a new window, that is 5 cross 5. And the 100% over here, that means the 100% means it's on the 100% zoom. When you press Control plus, it will zoom. It's now showing 200%, that is in the zooming capability of 200%. It's now in. I'm making 200 again. And the basic things in the Photoshop is you have to understand the environment over here. These are the specified things. I will explain it. These are the tools. If you click on a tool, it will show the specification for the tool. Maybe it's some kind of any tool. It will show the specified functions for each tool. The tools are separated by some kind of mark in between these sets. Actually, these sets represent, the first set represent the selection tool, and the next set are the editing tools. That means you can modify the things. Here you can select the things, and here are some common things. See, here are some vector pen tools. This is also a vector thing. This is also a vector thing. You can use custom shapes in here. And this is the hand tool, which is used to make when you are making some bigger images. You can use the hand tool to make movements over the images like this. You can see it here. And here you can see the colors. That means you can select the primary color and the secondary color. You can just by clicking here and pressing OK, the primary color will be selected. For secondary, the same thing, but for switching the things, press X. For switching the colors, you can see here the colors are getting switched when I press X. And this is the layers panel. This is the basic thing in layers. Sorry, this is the basic thing in Photoshop. Layers are very important because this forms a basic for everything. Let me open an image. Let me open this image in the document we are using now. After dropping, press Ctrl Enter. If you want to resize, press Ctrl T and use Shift key and drag it. Simply drag it for the maintenance of aspect ratio. And also you can leave the Shift key. It will be like this. As I told earlier, press Ctrl Enter and it will be fixed. And now this is the new layer I have inserted here. And for a layer itself, it will take a vast task to be doing, because it's a lot of things that to be understanding. And this is the adjustment panel, because we have used photography here. I forgot to tell one thing. This is for selecting the environment we are going to use. For painting, it will be like this. For photography and for typography, whatever the use, it will make the arrangement, because these are the tools we are used for the certain type of category, so it's better be this way. And if a layer is locked, you can't change or modify anything in here. You can unlock a layer by double clicking over here and press OK. Now the lock will be released. If you want to make a lock on a layer, press lock. It cannot be modified until you unlock the file. Sorry, not the file, the layer. These are some very basics in Photoshop. These are the tools. You get used to it, you can understand. I will explain about the tools in the next tutorial. Just get to the YouTube channel and click like in the bottom. Thank you for watching.